Reading Pioneers is proud to present The Pigeon Needs a Bath. I do not. Words and pictures by Mo Willems. Hi! I don't know if you've noticed, but the pigeon is filthy. So, I could use your help, because the pigeon needs a bath. That is a matter of opinion. What a joker! I don't really need a bath. I took one last month. I think it was last month. Clean, dirty. They're just words, right? I feel clean. Maybe you need a bath. Yeah! When was the last time you had a bath? Oh, that was pretty recently. Life is so short. Why waste it on unimportant things? Like taking a bath. What smell? I don't smell anything. And if I do, it's a very normal smell. For a pigeon. You know, in some places, it is impolite to bathe. Bzzz, bzzz. All of these flies buzzing around me are purely coincidental. Bzzz, bzzz. P.U. Yuck! Let's get out of here! Take a bath, dude! Okay, fine! If it means so much to you, I'll take a bath. Whoa. I'm not going to like this one bit. The water is too hot, too cold, too lukewarm, too hot, too wet, too cold, not enough toys, too many toys, too deep, not deep enough, too cold. Now it's too hot again. Too reflective. That is still too hot. Well, I guess this is okay. Splash. Hey, this is fun. Wash, 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 washy. La, 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 singing in the tub. This is the life. I love bubbles. Look at my wrinkly toes. Hello? Hello? How are you? I'm fine. I'm a fish. I'm a fish. 10 hours later. Can I stay in the tub forever? Thank you, Pioneers, for reading with us today to the book The Pigeon Needs a Bath by Mo Willems. This was such a fun and silly book to read. I hope you enjoyed it, because this book was actually recommended by a follower of this channel named Michael,
who asked me to read this book with you today. If you have a book you'd like to be read, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so we can turn it into the next read aloud. Also, it would really help this channel if you like the video to support Michael's recommendation. Share it with your loved ones so they can also see how Pigeon needs a bath. And of course, subscribe while clicking the notification bell to stay tuned for the next read aloud coming soon. Unfortunately, this is the end of the video. I want to thank Michael again for recommending this great story and emailing me this request. I also suggest you all to check back here for more read alouds and children's book recommendations as they go public every week. Thanks again, readers, for joining us today, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.